Dylan, welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Thursday, 16th of April. Alright, we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so what happened is that price has been appreciating since the ECB press conference, and right now we are seeing that price has been resisted at the key resistance level, the price of 1.0716. By plotting the Fibonacci retracement, we also see that the resistance level 1.0716 is also at a retracement level of 38.2%, and right now we are seeing the price is beginning to fall. So during the smaller time frame, we would like to wait for a further retracement to see if we can go for a short opportunity. Of course, we are expecting price to fall all the way back to the previous low at 1.0536, and as it breaks lower, it will be at the previous low at 1.0471. However, if price were to break above with fever expansion itself from the bottom to this level, we also see that the 161.8% absorption level is at the price of 1.0829, very close to the retracement level of 61.8%, which is also at the same time very close to 200 moving average. So that is if price were to happen to break above the 1.0716 resistance level. Alright, so next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. We also seen price has been appreciating ever since it rebounded off from support level at 0.7421. It has broke above the falling trend line as well, and right now we are seeing that it is resisted at the key resistance level at 0.7612. If you look back on the chart itself, this level has been a very strong resistance level, and in the past it has also been a very strong support level, which has currently turned to resistance level. So over here we're also seeing a very strong pullback, so we are expecting price to start to fall again. So of course, during the small time frame, we are waiting for an opportunity to go for the short. In fact, right now at this price, it is already a very good price to go for a short. So if you were to go for the short, probably you might want to place your stop loss somewhere at the price of 0.7654. Right, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Of course, we are expecting price to fall all the way back to at least support level at 0.7421. Alright, next we have the pound against the US dollar. Price has also appreciated. Right now it is seen resisted at the falling trend line, very near to the 200 moving average. Right, nothing besides it. Right now we if we zoom in the 15-minute chart, it is also a very good price to go for a short. Looks exactly like the formation that we see in the New Zealand dollar in the 15-minute chart itself. So this could be a very good chance to go for the shorts for the pound against the US dollar. And of course, if we go for shorts, then we would like to place the stop loss at the price of 1.4896, and first level looking at 1.4699. Alright, so next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Price has been appreciating a lot ever since it rebounded off again from the previous low at 0.7554. It further appreciated this morning itself as employment change has was much better than the forecasts, and unemployment rate has unexpectedly fell by 0.2% compared to the forecast itself. However, we might be able to expect price to appreciate a little bit further till it touches the final absorption level, which is at the fever expansion level of 161.8%, price of 0.7790. Alright, this level itself is also a past resistance level if you look at this point over here. Right, so of course we are definitely looking for a opportunity to go for the short. So just have to wait for price to to appreciate a little bit further. So that's for the Aussie against the US dollar, and next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. In the 4-hourly chart itself, as you can see that there was previously a rising trend that's forming. Price came down, got supported, but eventually it broke below the bottom of the rising trend channel. But then again, it got supported at the rising trend line based on the day 1 charts. Right, this is the trend line I'm talking about, and we are seeing that price has been pulling back very strongly. If you zoom in the smaller time frame in the 15 minutes charts, this is actually a very good signal to go for the long. Alright, we are definitely expecting price to appreciate further from this point onwards as the US dollar gains traction again to strengthen further after it has retraced so much to a better price to go for long again. Expecting price to appreciate all the way back to the recent level 120.66. So just look for a long opportunity in the smaller time frame as it retraces. Right, next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc, which has also retraced very significantly. Then it got supported at the retracement level of 61.8% as well, and we are seeing the price is beginning to rebound off, and we are expecting price to regain appreciation again from this point onwards. So similarly to dollar against Japanese yen, we are waiting for a further retracement to go for long. In fact, it has just happened and it begins to appreciate again. So if you want to go for the long right now, the risk could be a little bit higher, but you may go for a smaller lot size. Or if not, we shall wait for price to appreciate a little further, wait for retracement in the smaller time frame to go for a long opportunity again. Of course, the best is that price came all the way back to the 61.8% level, got supported. We may go for a long at the best entry price. Alright, next I would just like to touch on the Aussie against the Japanese yen. As I have been mentioning, in the weekly chart itself, there's a rising trend channel, and price is already at the bottom of the rising trend channel. There was 1 week itself that price actually closed below the 200 moving average very slightly, and the following week itself it has managed to close above the 200 moving average again. And this week itself we are seeing that price is beginning to appreciate again as it got supported at the previous low, somewhere at the support level of 90.60, very close to the bottom of the rising trend channel in the weekly charts. So at this point of time, we might be able to expect price to really begins to appreciate all the way within the rising trend channel in the weekly charts. So just would like to find an opportunity to go for long in the smaller time frame in the 15-minute charts. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against Japanese yen, and with that I have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.